So this is a lime package that we created to help with sustainability in the packaging world. Limes typically come in a bag of 6 or 8 in a plastic mesh net bag. So instead we created a sleeve with a pull-out tray. We created finger slots here to pull out the tray, and you would put your limes right here. There is a backing on the tray to create friction so that when people pull it out, they can't pull the limes out and lose them on the floor. And then for at-home purposes, we created this pull-off tab here that pulls off so they can see their limes and see whether they've gone bad. We added lime graphics and created our own logo, Zestful Zing Limes. And for stacking ability, we created a octagon shape so that it is flat on the top and you can stack multiple high and multiple wide.